Okay, today I want to make the video tutorial for the NX Siemens. First, click NX Siemens twice, waiting for the opening of NX Siemens. After that, click New. Still waiting again. Click Model. Give name. The name is 3.10 safety bracket. 3.10 safety bracket. Okay, we will change the name again. Click enter and then waiting for the response. Okay, we will draw from this and then extrude to this. Okay, click sketch, click this plane and then OK. Click this profile, click from datum, click point, going to the vertical, going to the right, down, right, down, and then going to the point. After that, you must define the dimensions. The dimension is 16. Click this, click twice, 16, enter. Then from this to this is 45. Click D on your keyboard, click this line to this line is 45, enter. And then this to this is 10. Click twice, 1 and 0. Okay. After that, you must define the dimension from this to this. From this to this is 19 and 19. Click repeat dimension, click from this to this, 19 plus 19, enter. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. Fully constrained is meaning that the sketch is already for extrude. Click finish sketch, going to the trimetric, then click extrude, just this line, and then give the dimension from this to this is 100. You click 100, enter, and then apply, and then cancel. After that, you must draw this. Okay, easy. Click sketch, click the scroll on your mouse, hold and rotate. Click this area and click OK. After that, you make this. Okay, I choose this rectangle, choose this by 2 point, start from this point, drag to the top and then close. After that, you can define the dimension. From this to this is 90, from this to this is 64, and then from this to this is 19. So going to this dimension, double click, then the length, and then 64 plus 19. plus 19. Enter. Okay. The sketch is fully constrained with one auto dimension. Okay. Check this sketch. Click this sketch to this point and then give the coincidence. Sketch is fully constrained. So the next is you give the dimension. The dimension is 125 minus 100. Okay, I minimize this and then going to the trimetric view, finish sketch, and then click extrude. Click this and write on your keyboard 125 minus 100 and then enter. After enter, you can click apply and then click cancel. After that, you give the radius. The radius is 19. Click the edge plane. Click the edge, also this edge. Give the radius 19, enter. Okay, apply and then cancel. After that, you will make this hole. The hole diameter is 19. So I'm going to sketch, going to this area and then click OK. After that, I choose this circle and then going to this point, give the dimension. The dimension is 19. Enter, close. After that, finish sketch and then going to the trimetric view. After that, going to the extrude and then click this circle. Sorry, finish. Close. Going to the extrude, select this line and going to the subtract, reverse the direction, drag and then click apply. Okay. After that, I'm going to make this hole. Click sketch, click this area and OK. After that, click the circle like this and define the dimension. Diameter is 13. Click repeat dimension, click this and then 1 and 3, enter. 1 and 3, enter. Okay, you must give this dimension. The dimension is 50. Okay, and from this to this is 25. Click twice, 25, enter. Okay, and then from this to this is 13. Click the repeat dimension, click this point to this point is 13, enter, and then click this line, going to the center, and then click this line, just the horizontal. After click the horizontal, you click this line, right click and then going to convert the reference. Finish sketch because the sketch is fully constrained. and then going to the trimetric view, and then you just extrude just this, and reverse the direction. Click apply, and then the hole is already made it. And then you must make this slot. Click sketch, click this, OK, just this rectangle, just this by 2 point, sketch on here, and then define the dimension. For the long is 17 and the wide is 16. Click twice 17, and then click D on your keyboard, click this line, and then define the dimension. The dimension is 19, enter. After that, you click or define the dimension for this to this is 16. Double click and then 16, enter. After that, you must give the dimension from this to this is 10. Click the rapid dimension, or you can click D on your keyboard, click this to this, then click give 10. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained, so I will go into the finish sketch, and then going to the extrude, going to this, select this line, select reverse direction, and then click apply. Okay, your model is already made, so I just cancel. And to hide this sketch, you can click, and then write on your keyboard Ctrl B, also this Ctrl B, and then if you want to change the colors, you can go into the view or renders. I'm going to the renders, going to the extrude shading, and then select the global materials brush metal wash. I select it for this color, okay, or this black, or this, or this. Okay, thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below on the column comment. Okay, thank you. See you on the next video.